How to delete Gmail account from iPhone. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to delete Gmail account from iPhone. To start the process, open your Gmail application in your mobile device. Then tap on the profile icon on the top right corner. Here tap on Manage your Google account. After that, tap on Data and Privacy. Then scroll down until you get the option of Delete your Google account. Now enter your password to verify that it's you. Then tap on Next. You can download your data before deleting your account. Here you need to agree with terms and conditions. Then tap on Delete Account. This is how you can delete your Gmail account on iPhone. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified for new videos. See you in the next one.